Is this real or fake? In 2026, hundreds of apps promise you can watch videos, play games, or scroll content and earn real cash. One of the most talked about lately is CashDrama, an app that claims watching short drama clips can turn your time into money. You've seen the ads. Watch a few clips, collect rewards, cash out hundreds or even thousands. But here's the real question. Does CashDrama actually pay you? Or is it just another fake watch-to-earn scheme? To answer that, we looked at how CashDrama actually works, what users are reporting, and whether anyone has real, verifiable proof of cashing out. On the surface, the app looks appealing. It lets you watch short dramas in HD, updates content daily, and shows bonus indicators as you watch. Some people even report early on that their balance starts growing quickly. Sometimes hundreds of thousands of local currency in minutes. That initial reward hook is designed to get you watching more content and engaging with the app longer. But here's where things start to fall apart. CashDrama sets its minimum withdrawal at a very high level, often around 700 to 1,000 local currency units. That's much higher than most legitimate reward apps. And when users try to reach that number, the situation changes. As you get closer to the required balance, the app pushes even more ads and tasks, making it harder and harder to progress. Many users report that the bonus amounts they earn shrink dramatically, while the number of ads you have to watch increases disproportionately. User complaints on platforms like Reclaim a Key describe similar experiences. Users watch dozens or even hundreds of ads, reach the reward target shown on screen, and then find that withdrawal is impossible or blocked with endless additional conditions. In some cases, users pay for a subscription or premium plan and still can't withdraw their balance. Reclaim a Key this pattern: high initial rewards, high withdrawal thresholds, and no actual payouts is common in so-called watch-to-earn apps. Often the real goal isn't to pay users but to extract attention and ad revenue. In other words, the app monetizes your time, not your rewards. Many people get stuck watching ads indefinitely because the threshold requirement and task quotas increase as they progress, making it nearly impossible to reach a point where real cash is sent to your wallet. Thing to note is that while some listings suggest the app is safe because it comes from official channels, downloaded from major app stores, that doesn't necessarily mean it pays what it promises. App marketplaces enforce malware and safety standards, but they don't verify whether reward systems actually deliver cash. A clean install and lack of malware does not equal a verified payout mechanism. On community forums and Reddit threads, users who tried similar earn money apps report that even when apps claim to pay, real withdrawals rarely happen. Some warn that positive reviews can be fake or generated by bots, and actual payout reports are rare or non-existent outside promotional screenshots. So what's the bottom line? If you're looking at CashDrama as a casual entertainment app, a way to watch short dramas for fun, then it can be enjoyable. The interface is clean, the videos are light and engaging, and there's no immediate security risk. But if your goal is to earn significant cash or reliably withdraw real money, the evidence suggests that CashDrama is not delivering on that promise. Reaching the minimum withdrawal target is extremely difficult, and user reports show that many end up never cashing out despite watching hundreds of ads in 2026. Plenty of apps make the same promise: watch content, earn rewards, get paid. But practically none of them have verified, consistent evidence of actual payouts at scale. Too often, the business model is about keeping you engaged so you watch ads, not about giving you real money. So is CashDrama real or fake? It is real as an app and as a platform for watching content, but based on user experiences and payout structure, it does not appear to be a reliable way to earn or cash out money. If your goal is earnings, there are safer and more legitimate ways to make money online that don't involve chasing impossible thresholds or endless ads. If this review helped you understand the truth about CashDrama in 2026, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more honest reviews like this one. And let me know in the comments, have you tried CashDrama, and did you actually cash out or just watch ads? Stay sharp, stay informed, and I'll see you in the next one.